Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how I sometimes break tools. Hopefully I don't break one right now. But if you look at these fittings I'm making right here, these are going to be TIG welded into the bottom of my fuel tank. And then I'm going to have a drain so I can drain water out of the tank that's in the very bottom. So these little grooves here are so that this lays completely flush with the bottom of the tank. And this one will set up about 3/4 of an inch. So as the tank's tilted in the bottom of the tank is tilted in the aircraft, all the water that could pool at the bottom of the tank won't be able to get to the engine because of this 3/4 lip. There'll be about a pint of gas, but the lowest point will be this. So I've had people ask me, well, how do you thread aluminum for this type of taper, that MPT or whatever it's called, that taper? So I'm going to show you, and this is how I normally break tools, but I don't think I'll break one tonight. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get it in your vise, and you want to crank the crap, and I mean the crap, out of your vise. Okay, and I mean, you don't want to break the part, but you want to make sure that part's not going to move. So I'm going to start with the old trusted 14mm wrench. I'm going to get this just started in the hole and let it bite. Once it starts to bite and I can't really turn it, and it's really cutting the aluminum good there, but I want to make sure it's getting started straight. And it's not. So sometimes if it, well, you don't want to move your part. It'll straighten itself up as it goes, but normally, well, no, it's getting straight. Okay, so I can only get it to about there, okay? Now, we're going to get the big gun. And this is a reason if you buy a Craftsman tool, it's awesome, because if you destroy the tool, they replace it for free. And you're going to crank this bastard like this. And it really starts to bite that 60-61 aluminum. Make sure I'm not getting my wrench off there. Now, one thing you want to do is back it up once in a while because it cleans the thread on the tap. And you can actually feel it. It gets real easy as it cleans the tap. And then you can go back to cranking the crap out of this bastard. And it's really starting, because it's tapered, it gets a lot harder as it goes deeper. And luckily I didn't break my tool there. Now, most tools probably wouldn't be warranted at this. I've only got about 1 millimeter more to go. I've got a little mark on my tap. And okay, that's good enough. So let's see if that's a bingo. Now, one thing about these taps, you can get them at Master Car. If you get one that's a high use, it's going to be a couple of $100 for this. You can get this for about $60, and it's low use. It's only used for like 5 or 10 times. But since I'm doing aluminum with it, it's going to last a long time. If I was going to go steel with that, it wouldn't last that long. And a moment of truth. And it's screwed in just fine. So look at the bottom of the tank here. The way this will be set up is actually this is going to be, where's my, okay, that's for my, so this one right here will be for draining the water, which will be over here. This one will be for fuel, which will be right here. And this one will be on the top for my vent. And I'll take all these in, and the fuel tank will be almost done. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. I'll see you next time. Rock on.